The exhausting pace of the city can drain you of your energy. But what if you could stay connected to the pulse of the city and replenish yourself at the same time? Where the sounds of cars are distant and you wake up to the sweet melody of birds. Where trees surround you instead of buildings. Where the landscape is painted in different shades of blossoming flowers. It's a place where the waterfront isn't a trip, but right outside your door. But if work beckons, why not hold the meeting right at home? You'll find every tiny detail has already been planned for. And the finest indulgences are at your beck and call. Get back everything the city takes away, one special moment at a time. Replenish your life at Sobha Hartland.